Hey guys, welcome back, and in today's video, I'm going to show you how to create group chat polls on Instagram. Without further ado, let's get started. Now let's just head on and open up the Instagram app right over here after you have checked that your Instagram is up to date through your App Store or your Play Store. So once you have opened it, make sure that you are at your home page. So if you're at your profile page, for example, just click on this home icon at the bottom left-hand corner, and you'll be at this page. So from here, just click on this messenger icon or the messages icon at the top right corner so we can access our conversations with our friends as well as the group chats we are in. Now open that specific group chat you want to create a poll in, for example right here. So this is the group chat I am in, and from here just click on this little smiley icon at the bottom right corner, and you should be able to see many options, and that includes the poll option. So that will enable us to create a poll. So just click on the poll, and you can then state your question right here. So like that, and you can just add options like that, and you can add as many options as you like. So you can just, once you have set all the options as well as the question, you can just click on this create poll option at the bottom part of the screen, and that will be sent to the group chat, and anyone can vote to it, including you. For example, I'm just gonna submit a certain vote, so that will be what a poll looks like in a certain group chat. So that ends this tutorial. I hope this video helped you out. If it did, don't forget to like the video and subscribe to the channel. Feel free to comment any questions you may have as well. So that is all for today, and have a great day.